It's the Garden Spot program presenting the songs of Hank Williams.
Hello everybody, Garden Spot is on the air. So just relax and listen in your easy rocking chair. Music for the family in a good old-fashioned way. We hope that we can please you, bring you sunshine every day. Yes, sir!
Well, hello everybody, and welcome once again to our Garden Spot offering for today. And here is our special guest for today on our program. I know you're going to enjoy his songs. It's the old lovesick drifting cowboy himself, Hank Williams.
Thank you a lot, Mr. Grant Turner, and welcome friends and neighbors. We're going to start things off here on the Garden Spot program today with a little tune that Grant just said something about there, the Lovesick Blues. Let's get them, fellas. I got a feeling called the blues, oh Lord, since my baby said goodbye. Lord, I don't know what I'll do. All I do is sit and sigh. Oh Lord, that last long day she said goodbye. Well, Lord, I thought I would cry. She'll do me, she'll do you. She's got that kind of loving. Lord, I look to you when she calls me sweet Daddy, such a beautiful dream. I hate to think it all over. I've lost my heart, it seems. I've grown so used to you somehow. Lord, I'm nobody's sugar daddy now, and I'm lonesome. I got the lovesick blues. Well, I'm in love with a beautiful gal. That's what's the matter with me. Well, I'm in love with a beautiful gal, but she don't care about me. Lord, I tried and I tried to keep her satisfied, but she just wouldn't stay. So now that she is leaving, this is all I can say. I got a feeling called the blues, oh Lord, since my baby said goodbye. Lord, I don't know what I'll do. All I do is sit and sigh. Oh Lord, that last long day she said goodbye. Well, Lord, I thought I would cry. She'll do me, she'll do you. She's got that kind of loving. Lord, I look to you when she called me sweet Daddy, such a beautiful dream. I hate to think it all over. I've lost my heart, it seems. I've grown so used to you somehow. Lord, I'm nobody's sugar daddy now, and I'm lonesome. I got the lovesick blues.
Well, Hank, our friends must have known that you were going to be here today because they just almost sent in a carload of mail. Most of them wanted to hear the Lovesick Blues. You sung that. And now here's a great big stack of mail for another great favorite. You know which one I mean?
You couldn't mean Mansion on the Hill, could you,
That's
Grant?
it, Hank. You going to sing it
just
today?
Do that right now.
All right.
How about it? Tonight down here in the valley, I'm lonesome and oh how I feel as I sit here alone in my cabin. I can see your mansion on the hill. Do you recall when we parted? The story to me you revealed. You said you could live without love, dear. in your loveless mansion on the hill. The lights shine bright from your window. The trees stand so silent and still. I know you're alone with your pride, dear, in your loveless mansion on the hill. I've waited all of these years, love, to give you a heart true and real. 'Cause I know you're living in sorrow in your loveless mansion on the hill. Yes, sir. I got to go each year on Mother's Day, the rose I wore was red, but today I'm saying my first prayer. Mama's lying on her dying bed. I've just told Mama goodbye. Mother's Day has turned to night. Like the flowers in May, she withered away, and my red rose is turning white. This is the dreaded hour that we all must face someday. Yet there's consolation in my heart. She will bloom in the Master's bouquet. I just told Mama goodbye. Mother's Day has turned to night. Like the flowers in May, she withered away, and my red rose is turning white. Her time has come to go, and there's nothing I can do. Only hold her hand and say goodbye. Mama's day with her children is through. That's a good one there, man. I really like them hymns, man. Well, friends, it looks like that clock is done caught up with us there. That means that we're going to have to get out, but we'll see you again before long.
Until then, best of luck and health to you, and take care of yourself, and till we see you again, huh?